Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're diving headfirst into one of the most enduring and beloved design movements of all time, mid-century modern, or MCM. This style is more than just chic furniture and sleek silhouettes. It's an entire philosophy of living. We're going to cover everything from the meaning and benefits of MCM to exactly how you can get that iconic curb appeal. And of course, we're counting down the top 10 best mid-century modern home design ideas you can steal for your own house. Let's get started. So, what exactly is mid-century modern design? The term refers to a style that emerged roughly between the late 1940s and the mid-1960s, a period post-World War II marked by optimism, technological advancement, and a desire to make beautiful design accessible to the average family. It was a clear rejection of the ornate, heavy styles that came before. At its core, MCM is defined by a few key principles: simplicity, functionality, and a seamless connection to nature. You'll recognize it immediately by its characteristics. Architects and designers of the era favored clean, unadorned lines, geometric shapes, and a notable lack of excessive embellishment. You'll see low-slung, horizontal profiles, often with flat or low-pitched gable roofs. Furthermore, they innovated with materials like glass, steel, and plywood. The radical idea behind MCM was that a home should be a functional machine for living, designed to promote a bright, open, and cheerful atmosphere by blurring the lines between the interior and exterior environments. Choosing mid-century modern isn't just a style choice, it's a lifestyle choice, packed with tangible benefits for modern living. Firstly, the open floor plan is a cornerstone of MCM, promoting a unified living experience where the kitchen, dining, and living areas flow into one another without unnecessary walls. This spatial openness encourages socialization, makes entertaining a breeze, and maximizes the feeling of space, which is perfect for today's busy households. Secondly, the design's emphasis on natural light is a huge functional advantage. Expansive windows, often floor-to-ceiling glass walls, and strategically placed clerestory windows flood the interiors with sunlight. Not only does this reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, making your home more energy efficient, but it also creates a consistently bright and mood-boosting environment. Finally, MCM architecture is inherently timeless. Because it prioritizes simple, honest forms over fleeting decoration, an MCM home built 70 years ago still looks cutting-edge and desirable today. Investing in this aesthetic means choosing a style that will retain its appeal for generations. Achieving that perfect mid-century modern exterior, or curb appeal, is all about celebrating the architecture itself and harmoniously connecting it with the landscape. You need to be deliberate with your choices. Start with materials. MCM exteriors often use a purposeful juxtaposition of natural and man-made elements. Think rich, stained wood paneling, like redwood or cedar, paired with rugged stacked stone, smooth concrete, or clean white or charcoal stucco. Use a low-pitched or flat roofline to strongly emphasize the horizontal orientation of the home. This helps the structure settle into the landscape and gives it that signature low-slung look. For the crucial finishing touch, you must nail the front door. A bold, brightly colored front door in a vibrant accent color like orange, deep turquoise, or sunny yellow is quintessential MCM. This splash of color acts as a welcoming beacon against the neutral facade, adding personality and flair. Finally, the landscaping must be minimalist and deliberate. Focus on clean lines, geometric planting beds, and architectural plants like succulents, ferns, or low-growing grasses. Avoid fussy or overly manicured gardens. The goal is to create a seamless, easy transition that visually links your streamlined home to the natural environment. Now, let's look at real-world inspiration. We're counting down the top 10 best mid-century modern home design ideas inspired by these stunning examples. 1. Post and beam grandeur with integrated landscape. Look at how the exposed structural beams extend past the glass walls, forming deep overhangs. These overhangs are not just a stylish architectural detail. They offer brilliant passive solar control, shading the interior from harsh summer sun while allowing low winter light in. The stone accent wall grounds the structure, perfectly balancing organic and modern materials. 2. Split-level charm and floating stairs. This dynamic home captures the energy of the split-level design. The different elevations, connected by open tread, floating stairs, create intriguing sight lines and functional separation without sacrificing the overall open feel. The contrasting material palette, clean white walls against rich, medium-toned wood paneling, adds essential warmth. 3. The low-slung ranch with clear-story windows. Here is a perfect example of the classic MCM ranch. Its low-pitched roof and elongated, horizontal profile give it that powerful, integrated look. The high band of clear-story windows, placed just beneath the roofline, is a genius technique. It maintains privacy while flooding the entire interior space with soft, consistent daylight. 4. Geometric facade with bold entryway. This design beautifully plays with geometry. The structure uses an interplay of simple rectangular forms, which is heightened by a sophisticated color palette of deep charcoal gray and natural wood. The brightly colored, recessed front door serves as a dramatic, welcoming focal point, that necessary pop of color that defines the MCM aesthetic. 5. Indoor-outdoor harmony with covered patio. This home masterfully executes the core MCM goal of merging living spaces. The expansive, floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors open directly onto a covered patio. Notice how the same materials and levels continue from inside to out, blurring the line and making the patio a true extension of the living room, ideal for entertaining. 6. Textural contrast with brick and wood. This is all about the power of texture. The rough, earthy feel of the exposed red brick provides a warm, grounded counterpoint to the sleek, smooth finish of the horizontal wood siding. The simplicity of the form is amplified by this material contrast, proving that visual interest doesn't require complex ornamentation. 7. The poolside paradise and cantilevered roof. Pure luxury and design. The bold, flat roof features a dramatic cantilever, extending far beyond the supporting walls. This provides essential shading for the patio and pool and creates a strong, powerful architectural statement that beautifully frames the outdoor leisure space. 8. Atrium-inspired inner courtyard design. A hallmark of high-end MCM, the inner courtyard or atrium. This design wraps the main living areas around a private, open-air garden. It provides a source of light and ventilation while offering a sheltered, intimate connection to nature that's entirely private. 9. Minimalist window wall and open concept. The large, simplified window wall here is all about function and view. It completely bathes the interior in light and offers an unobstructed panoramic view. The interior spaces are visibly open and uncluttered, adhering to the MCM commitment to simplicity and making the natural views the main focus. 10. Clean lines and geometric landscape integration. This final example highlights the critical role of landscaping. The linear pathways, rectangular planters, and use of gravel and architectural plants perfectly mirror the clean, straight lines of the home itself. This geometric and intentional approach is key to completing the classic mid-century modern look. The enduring appeal of mid-century modern lies in its perfect balance. It's minimal yet warm, functional yet stunningly beautiful, and classic yet perpetually modern. It teaches us a fundamental truth: good design doesn't need to be fussy or ornate. It just needs to be honest, simple, and connected to the way we truly live. By embracing these principles, from the bold use of materials to the thoughtful flow of light and space, you can infuse your own home with this timeless style, creating a space that feels both nostalgic and utterly contemporary. I hope this deep dive into mid-century modern has given you the inspiration you need to elevate your home designs. Which of these 10 stunning ideas was your favorite, and why? Let me know in the comments below. If you loved this video, Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studios. We have new design videos every single week to help you create the home of your dreams. And remember to hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into a classic architectural style. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.